In this video, I'm going to show you how to decrease using single crochet. So for this example, I'm going to decrease in the middle of the row. So let me just work single crochet until the middle of the row. And then we are going to decrease these next 3 stitches into 1 stitch. So this is the first stitch of my 3, so I'm going to insert my hook just like I would for a normal single crochet. I'm going to wrap my yarn and pull through that stitch, and then that's it. So just ignore the loops on your hook that you have now. And I'm going to do that for the next 2 stitches as well. So pretending these loops aren't there, I'm going to insert my hook, wrap my yarn, pull through the stitch, and then ignore that loop and do it one more time because we want to do 3 stitches. So insert my hook, wrap my yarn, pull through, and now I have 4 loops on my hook, and I'm going to yarn over and pull through all 4 loops. Now that's made 3 stitches into 1. And let's say I want to finish this row. I'm just going to continue like I normally would, so insert, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2. Let's do a couple more. Oops. And you can see this piece is already starting to curl because of the decrease. So I've taken these 3 and turned it into 1.